Good job, good job, good job. Yeah, that cha-cha, it comes really by surprise. So now you have the alternative. You either tap or you either do the cha-cha. Let's go with the cha-cha. Exit and the cha-cha. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Cha-cha-cha. Step. Cha-cha-cha. Side together. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Cha cha cha, step, cha cha cha, side, together. And another tap. Yeah, let's go. Now we go together. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha cha cha, step, cha cha cha, side together. So when you want to do the step, you want to cross forward. That's your first one. Cross. Now do a cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Cross forward again. Yes. Then cha-cha-cha. Outside together. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, no, don't worry about that. Just get my support right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cha-cha-cha. Step. You already there. Together. And then you continue walking. Yeah. The other one is the normal. We're going to tap. Right here, tap, side together. Good job. Continue. Another one. Right here. Toma. Ta. Eso. Pa. Continue moving. Now, with this one, I'm going to now step back. So, if I'm going to step back, you're going to step forward. Alright? So that we can go easy on the left. So, step forward, back, together. Yeah, again, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, yeah, so again, forward, back. So on this one, your leg gonna try to cross diagonal back, exactly, so that you can go side together. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, don't hurt your leg. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, back, cross, step, side, together. Okay, so I'm going to show you this movement. It's just you're going to go forward, and then I stay on the side so that I can go together. Exactly. One more time. See, this one is easier, so you just keep on stepping back. Forward, toma, step, back. That's it. That's the leg I need on the other side. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, step, go, pa, toma, side, together. Alright, together. One more time. Forward, step, toma, ta, and side together. The other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Forward, back, toma, and we go side together. Exactly.
Oh, yes.
Okay? Those are the 2 ones that you need to know. Gita,
yes.
I'm going to need you just for her to try, but go easy with her leg, alright? So, just for her to transfer right here, to give the swing, and then continue. And with the same swing, she's going to go to the other side, and then continue as well, right? So, just the swing of the leg. The cha-cha is actually good. Janet is just actually, when she comes on the other side, which we try this cha-cha, she got to cross forward and don't let my leg. See how we throw this leg right here. So she's right here. Even when she does the cha-cha, she keep the contact with the leg. That leg don't move. This leg don't move, so that way until I stop. So keep that leg right there. But that way you can get some feminine bird styling right now.
You have it.
Yeah. What happened to the bird? Yeah.
So what do you want me to do first? the exit of the
yeah, the
man
exit
or
of the woman, and then you do the exit of the man by transferring so that she can ease, because she's stepping like that up. So she gotta stay ground and then have the jinga right here so that she can walk. Just the jinga so that she can get that swing. Because that's what we need. We really need her to actually get the swing back, but she don't have to stay up. Now she can stay a little lower, yeah? Come on.
Okay. Let's look at it. So, now wait. So the exit of the woman, 5, 6, 7, go. Do 1, diagonal back. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's start there. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1. Yes. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2. The second step you open so you have space to go forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. But it's practice like that. I know. But when you do it with the partner, you remember. Your body will remember. You don't need to remember the body.
What it's called or
Well, no, that's not the
I
problem.
don't know.
No, that's not the problem. It's just the motion. When you do it with you remember. You feel it push diagonal. Instead of going straight, you think of going there. Then after you've crossed, you have space to go forward, so you have to open. Yeah? So we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We close. Why we do the 4 like this? Because we're going back to our partner. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2. No, but when we practice together, you remember. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't adjust like this. The 5 right away. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4,